Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be walking you through the steps to delete your Twitter account using a mobile device. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Twitter app. First, open the Twitter app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Step 2. Go to Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Account. In the Settings and Privacy menu, tap on Account. Step 4. Deactivate your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the Account section and you'll find an option called Deactivate your account. Tap on it. Step 5. Review information. Twitter will provide you with some information about deactivating your account. Take a moment to review it, and if you're ready to proceed, tap on Deactivate. Step 6. Confirm password. To confirm the deactivation, you'll need to enter your Twitter password. This is an added security measure to ensure that it's really you making this decision. Step 7. Final confirmation. After entering your password, Twitter will ask you one more time if you're sure you want to deactivate your account. If you're absolutely sure, tap Yes, Deactivate. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Twitter account using your mobile device. Remember, once you've done this, your account will be deactivated, and after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. If you change your mind during that time, you can always log back in to reactivate it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.